Hello, everybody. Welcome to Morning English. This is Summer.
Hello, everyone. This is Colin. Summer, what plans do you have after work?
I'm getting a new haircut.
That's nice. For girls, there's always so many things to talk about hair. Maybe today we can cover some of the topics.
Great idea. 那今天呀，我们就来讲一讲和头发相关的各种生活中都会用上的单词或者表达。
Okay, the first word is haircut. It's a simple word, but very useful because, you know, we have to get our hair cut every once in a while.
Yeah, haircut 这个单词呢，大家应该都比较熟悉，指的是发型、剪头发，但是用法可能会有点混淆。比如我们平常说要去理发店剪头发，我们不说 I'm going to cut my hair, 而是 I'm getting a haircut.
Now, a tip for the guys here. If one day your girlfriend or wife came home looking excited or extremely confident, it's very likely they got a new haircut. Maybe you can't tell, you don't notice, but you should say, "Oh my God, you look great. Did you get a new haircut?"
Alright, 这里Colin 在线教学，教大家如何来哄你的女朋友开心。But we have to be careful because it's tricky.What if she's happy not because of the hair? Then she'll think you don't care her enough.
You never can tell.
Yeah. 不过呢，对于男生啊还是女生，夸对方这个发型好看，都是一件特别值得开心的事情嘛。
So, how would you like to get your hair done? Right now you have long black hair.
Yeah, I still want long hair, but I'm considering dyeing it.
Pink?
Haha, no, purple. No, actually, maybe brown.
Whatever you like. You see, women spend a lot of time changing the color and length of their hair and their hairstyles on a almost daily basis.
Yes, 因为头发长嘛，那你每天都得想，今天是扎辫子还是披头发，要不要再编一个辫子？那这三个表达英语中分别可以怎么说呢？
Well, actually, the word is often overlooked by learners. That is, wear.Wear
我们都知道，那可以指穿衣服 wear clothes。那这里和扎头发有什么关系？
We can say wear the hair up, which is to get a ponytail or something like that.
Oh, wear the hair up 就是说把头发扎起来。那披头发是不是就是 wear the hair done?
Yes, you're right. If you have long hair, you can also say wear the hair long.
就是留长头发。所以这个 wear 小词呢，用法是非常丰富的。I like to wear my hair down. It's very comfortable. But in summer, I have to wear it up because it's too hot.
There's also an idiom about that. That's to let your hair down.
Let your hair down. 让你的头发放下来。What does that mean?
It means to enjoy yourself and to start to relax, especially after working very hard.Just like you said, because of the comfort, right?
Yeah, 那这个词组一定是一个女人发明的。Let your hair down 指的就是放松，尤其是指辛苦工作之后。But it's not very formal, right?
No, it's informal. You'll be hearing this a lot at a party, like in this example. The party gave them a chance to let their hair down.
Let's let our hair down and have fun.那这就是扎头发、披头发，那还有扎辫子呢？应该不用 wear 这个单词了吧？
We can also use it here to wear your hair in braids. You know the word, braid. It means your hair is twisted and woven together.
Oh, braid 指的就是辫子 B-R-A-I-D, braid. 所以扎辫子啊，其实也可以用到这个 wear.Like I wear the hair in braids. 不过这里要注意，用到句子里的时候 braid 后面有一个 s 用复数 braids.
Now I noticed that you don't wear your hair in braids. You usually let it half up and half down.
Yes, 就是丸子头。丸子头就是扎一半的头发，然后另一半是披着的嘛。所以刚刚 Colin 说我的发型就是 half up and half down. 现在还有个说法，可以说 half bun.Bun 就是指盘起来的头发，盘一半，扎一半，所以就是 half bun.
I just have a crew cut all year round. Sharp and easy.
Alright. 我们也可以聊一聊男生最常见的发型，就是 crew cut， 意思是平头。
Well, with a crew cut, I don't have to worry about having a bad hair day at all.
Yeah, that's true. A bad hair day means a day when your hair doesn't look tidy or neat, even when you try so hard.
Or it can mean a day on which everything seems to go wrong.
所以这个词组字面意思可以指你一天的头发都怎么弄都弄不好，但是在生活中也经常用来表示这一天就很不顺。
Yeah, a bad day, a tough day.Hello,
welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
Thank you so much for listening. This is Colin.
This is Summer. See you next time.